Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start immediately by confirming you can access space-time distortions and the main overworld regions where metal coat spawns. Make sure you carry 20+ Piquet balls and healing items so you don't miss rare drops. Once done, use audio and waypoint cues to detect distortions quickly. Approach as soon as one appears because metal coat chances rise inside. You should also have a fast steel or electric lead to neutralize or weaken targets without fainting them, preserving capture chance. Inside a distortion, prioritize finding steel-type or metal-themed Pokémon, which commonly drop or hold metal coat. Once you locate targets, weaken them to the red zone and apply sleep or paralysis to raise catch rates. This preserves both the creature and your chance at a held item drop. Simultaneously scan and break nearby ore veins and ore rocks because they often yield metal coat as a pickup. If you don't see it, rotate distortions or fast travel to another hotspot to repeat the run. Finish by doing multiple short distortion runs rather than one long grind. Repeatability increases your cumulative drop odds quickly. After each run, deposit captures and reset so you can re-enter without losing time. If you still haven't gotten metal coat after about 10 runs, change zones or alter your target species. Some areas have better spawn tables. As a troubleshooting tip, if drops seem absent, trade with other players or monitor official events and shops that sometimes guarantee or sell.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.